Parang kinakabahan ako. It's Good morning! No, daming energy. Today is January 2, 2025. Yay! Happy New Year, everyone! Happy New Year around the globe. Anywhere you are, Happy New Year! So, today ay pipick upin ko yung gender reveal envelope ng aking sister-in-law. So, panibagong pamangkin on the way, and it's cooking. Papasok din ako ngayon sa work, kaya medyo nakaayos ang aking hair for work. So, tara, tignan natin kung ano ang gender! Kaboob! Dito na ako ngayon sa Georgetown. Papunta na ako dun sa clinic. And let's go. We got the goods. Let's see. Open ko na ba? Open ko na. Fast forward for 3 days. Yes, it took 3 days for me to open the envelope. Finally, ma-open ko na siya. Let's go! Parang kinakabahan ako. Itong YouTube vlog ko na to, puro na ng gender reveal. Sino kayang next? Okay, eto na. Kinakabahan ako. Okay. Ako muna titingin. Ako muna. It's a... So, gagawa ako ngayon ng gender reveal cake. Very simple lang. I-reveal natin siya later. Let's go, guys! Tara! So, gagawa tayo today ng cake. Tapos, yung color is nasa loob ng cake. Then, they will slice it with a glass. So, tara! Let's make it from the scratch. So, they're already in the oven. May extra lang. Nice. Kaya gumawa ako ng isa. So, see you later.
So, we're going to the beach where they did their engagement and their first gender reveal with Elena. There they are.
Nakikita na siya.
Wag mo daw, sabihin mo na lang pumikit sila.
Huh?
Phone, you know.
They're over there.
Come, Nana! Come, Chichi!
When if they're ready, yeah.
Yeah.
In 3, 2, 1, push it. Okay, go.
With the blue part.